Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 5 other screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure it. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.